welcome you all to my YouTube channel Finest Mapta. Today we are going to Jewel Changi Airport. Whoa! You know what is the main attraction of that place? The tallest fountain which is inside the building. So come, we'll go today to Changi Airport. I'll show you all the places which are free today. But I promise that I'll be covering all other places which has a ticket. Come, we'll go. We are all set for new destination and Ayush is taking me there.
Yay, let's
go. Today we are going to Jewel Changi Airport and you know what its centerpiece? Its centerpiece is world's tallest indoor waterfalls. Who can think of making an indoor waterfall, that too the tallest in the world? Yes, Singapore has done it. So, apart from this waterfall, the tallest waterfall, which is called the Rain Vortex, you can visit many more places here. Like they have the parks, they have theme parks, they have shops, they have eateries, all the brands. You can name it and you'll find it. And it's not only open for general public of Singapore, but if you are flying and you have a stop at Singapore, so you can also visit, but make sure you have time. Hey, we have reached Jewel Changi and we are just entering the car park. Woo! Now we are entering the mall from car park. View the astonishing rain vortex from the basement. The only thing that is between me and water is the glass. Perfect for taking pictures. You can see all types of cuisines available in this mall. So from wherever you are, you can enjoy your type of meal. The rain vortex is surrounded by glass only at the basement, but you can see the actual waterfall once you reach to level 1. The spring of water that hits your body will surely mesmerize you. This pebbled ground, stone pavements and towering bamboo complete the Zen vibes. Shiseido Forest Valley is one of Singapore's largest indoor gardens, housing over 2,000 trees. Take a stroll along the 2 walking trails within the forest valley from level 1 all the way to level 5, the topmost level of Jewel, and admire the lush beauty of the outdoors and indoors. I'm taking the east trail to reach the top floor. Oh, the trail is closed at level 4. No problem. We'll take the escalators to reach level 5. Canopy Park. located at the topmost level L5 of Jewel, welcomes the young and young at heart with an array of exciting play attractions. From mazes to bouncing nets, it's all fun. Take a stroll along creative garden trails, glide down giant slides, or hide in bowls of gentle mist. Spend hours at play or simply relax at one of many charming diners. And yes, you can view the rain vortex from level 5 as well. Jewel Changi Mall is well linked to all the terminals. You can see shops and shops and shops everywhere. Leaving for today, but I'll be coming back next weekend with new place, fabulous places, amazing things to do in Singapore in $0. But please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next week.